Hi all. Today, I am going to introduce top 17 penetration testing distributions. Some people only know Kali Linux as penetration testing distributions. Have some Linux penetration testing that you should try to use. Kali Linux is a Debian-based distribution for digital forensics and penetration testing, developed and maintained by Offensive Security. Mattia Aharoni and Devon Kearns rewrote Backtrack. Kali Linux is the most versatile and advanced penetration testing tool release operating system. Kali tools are often updated and can be used on other platforms, such as VMware and ARM. Parrot Security GNU/Linux distribution designed with cloud pen testing and IoT security in mind. It includes a full portable laboratory for security and digital forensics experts, but it also includes all you need to develop your own softwares or protect your privacy with anonymity and crypto tools. Backbox, also known as Backbox Linux, is a variant of the Linux operating system that is based on Ubuntu. It comes bundled with many tools for performing network penetration testing, security testing, and ethical hacking. It can be used to sniff packets on a network, reverse engineer compiled programs, and other tasks that might be required of a security expert. The Samurai Web Testing Framework is a live Linux environment that has been pre-configured to function as a web pen testing environment. The CD contains the best of the open source and free tools that focus on testing and attacking websites. In developing this environment, we have based our tool selection on the tools we use in our security practice. We have included the tools used in all 4 steps of a web pen test. Bugtrack is a complete mailing list of announcements and detailed expositions of computer security vulnerabilities. Topics include vulnerabilities, security bulletins, exploits, and how to fix them. This is a high-volume mailing list that contains almost all the latest vulnerabilities. The Bugtrack team is a very experienced geek and developer organization. Most security technicians subscribe to Bugtrack because they can get information about software, system vulnerabilities, and bugs, and learn how to fix bugs and counterattacks. Weakerthon Linux is a penetration test system based on Debian Squeeze. Its desktop environment is Fluxbox. This system is suitable for Wi-Fi hacking, because it contains a large number of wireless tools, including wireless hacking tools. Its website is well built, and there is a very enthusiastic community. The tools include Wi-Fi attacks, SQL injection, Cisco exploitation, password cracking, web hacking, Bluetooth, VoIP hacking, social engineering, information gathering, fuzzing Android hacking, create shell and so on. Deft Linux, Computer Forensic Live CD, is a custom Xubuntu self-boot distribution for Linux CDs. It is an easy-to-use system that includes the best hardware detection and some of the best open-source applications dedicated to emergency response and computer forensics. Security Tools Distribution, STD, is a Linux-based security tool. Actually, it is a collection of hundreds if not thousands of open-source security tools. It's a live Linux distro, which means it runs from a bootable CD in memory without changing the native operating system of the host computer. Its sole purpose in life is to put as many security tools at your disposal with as slick an interface as it can. Black Arch Linux is an open-source distribution of Linux derived from the lightweight and powerful Arch Linux operating system and designed from the ground up to be used by security professionals for penetration testing tasks and security auditing. While the distribution can be installed on top of an existing Arch Linux installation, the main attraction of this Linux security distribution is the live DVDs, which support both 32-bit, i386, and 64-bit, x86_64, hardware platforms. Network Security Toolkit, NST, this bootable ISO Live DVD/USB flash drive, NST Live, is based on Fedora. The toolkit was designed to provide easy access to best-of-breed open-source network security applications and should run on most x86_64 systems. The main intent of developing this toolkit was to provide the security professional and network administrator with a comprehensive set of open-source network security tools. The majority of tools published in the article, Top 125 Security Tools by Insecure.org, are available in the toolkit. An advanced web user interface, WUI, is provided for system, network administration, navigation, automation, network monitoring, host geolocation, network analysis and configuration of many network and security applications found within the NST distribution. In the virtual world, NST can be used as a network security analysis validation and monitoring tool on enterprise virtual servers hosting virtual machines. Live Hacking DVD and Live Hacking CD are Linux Live distribution focused on penetration testing and ethical hacking. With no installation required, the analysis platform is started directly from the CD/DVD-ROM and is fully accessible within minutes to conduct live hacking and penetration tests. LionSec Linux is a Linux penetration testing operating system based on Ubuntu. It is a stable OS for security professional. LionSec Linux 5.0 is Ubuntu-based penetration testing distribution. It was built in order to perform computer forensics, penetration tests, wireless analysis. With the anonymous mode, you can browse the internet or send packets anonymously. There are lots of inbuilt tools like NeTool, Websploit, Burpsuite, web analysis tools, social engineering tools and other pen testing tools. Pen2 is a security-focused Livac based on Gentoo. It's basically a Gentoo install with lots of customized tools, customized kernel, and much more. Here is a non-exhaustive list of the features currently included. Hardened kernel with OFS patches. Backported Wi-Fi stack from latest stable kernel release. Module loading support ALIS LAX. Changes saving on USB stick. XFCE4WM. CUDA and OpenCL cracking support with development tools. System updates. If you got it finally installed. Put simply, Pen2 is Gentoo with the Pen2 overlay. This overlay is available in layman, so all you have to do is laymanl and layman Pen2. CyborgHawk Linux is Ubuntu, Linux-based penetration testing Linux distro developed and designed for ethical hackers and penetration testers. CyborgHawk distro can be used for network security and assessment and also for digital forensics. It also has various tools suited to the testing of mobile security and wireless infrastructure. Blackbond2 is a penetration testing Linux distribution which is specially designed for training security students and information security practitioners. It is currently built on Ubuntu 10.10 with the GNOME desktop environment. Blackbond2 will also include the KDE desktop in the final release of Blackbond2 Community Edition 0.3. It is not included in 0.1, 0.2 or the current 0.3 betas. Node 0 is Ubuntu-based Linux designed as a complete system which can also be used for penetration testing. Node 0 uses Ubuntu repository so your system will be always up to date. NecTrack GNOME is a live and installable Linux distribution designed for penetration testing and is based on Ubuntu. Although this sounds like Backtrack, it is most certainly not. It's very similar but based on the much-loved GNOME. Thanks for watching.